Are you looking for the best off-road hoverboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best hoverboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Segway Ninebot Off-Road Hoverboard. Heavy-duty build with a sleek, modern look, a high weight limit, a self-balancing design, and powerful dual motors make this a top choice for off-road hoverboarding. 220 pounds weight capacity, dual 400W motors for top speeds of 10 mph 10. 5 pneumatic tires. The Segway Ninebot off-road hoverboard features twin 400-watt motors capable of top speeds of up to 10 miles per hour and extra-large 10.5-inch pneumatic tires for smooth, comfortable rides on nearly any terrain. We loved its sleek, modern look and features like Android and iOS mobile app connectivity, and its impressive 13.7-mile travel per charge range and ability to take on inclines of up to 15 degrees. Its higher price point than many off-road models means it may be more hoverboard than casual off-road riders need. However, its many safety and support features like automatic ambient lights, top speed control, and self-diagnosing repair option, along with its impressive horsepower, durability, ease of control, and sleek look, make it a top choice for off-roading. Number 2. Gyroor Warrior Off-Road Hoverboard. Built-in speakers for music players, a powerful engine, bright and adjustable ambient, safety lights, and an easy-to-ride design make it a terrific value for an all-terrain hoverboard. 700W motor for smooth riding, built-in speaker for music 10. 5 pneumatic tires. The Gyroor Hoverboard Warrior is an off-road hoverboard with a powerful 700W motor and a sturdy self-balancing alloy and plastic construction. It can reach top speeds of up to 9.95 miles per hour and has a maximum travel per charge of 9.5 miles. We love the built-in speakers with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to play your favorite music as you ride. It also features multicolored LED lights for safety and a fun look. Check out our guide on how to ride a hoverboard to up your skills. Its high-tread, durable tires are effective on tough terrain, though at 8.5-inch smaller than some off-road models. However, its excellent price point, high quality, durable construction, and easy balancing, smooth ride make it a great choice for a powerful, sturdy off-road hoverboard. Number 3. Gotrax SRX Off-Road Hoverboard. Lightweight, easy for beginners to learn to ride, and with power enough for most off-road terrain, it's an exceptional value for a high-quality, streamlined model. Multiple LED-colored safety light, self-balancing gyroscope design, built-in Bluetooth speakers. The Gotrax SRX hoverboard features a 400W motor and a specialized gyroscope self-balancing design that makes it easy for beginners to start riding comfortably and smoothly. Its built-in Bluetooth speakers allow streaming from your Android or iOS device while you ride, and its multiple vivid LED lights add safety and flair. If you're looking for a beginner board for a child, then you need to read our Best Hoverboards for Kids guide. Its battery has a lower travel per charge length than many models at 5 miles per charge, and its sturdy all-terrain wheels are smaller than many models at 6.5-inch. Regardless, its solid construction, beginner-friendly specialized self-balancing design, and horsepower sufficient for most off-road purposes make it a terrific value at its price point, especially for smaller riders. Number 4. Epikgo Self-Balancing Off-Road Hoverboard. A high maximum weight load of 240 pounds, powerful twin 400W motors, heavy-duty, self-balancing build, and airless, pop-free tires make it an excellent choice for heavier riders. Max 10 miles per chargeable to take inclines of up to 18 mph 240 lb max weight limit. The Epikgo is one of the best self-balancing scooters, featuring 2 powerful 400W motors capable of taking 18-degree inclines, with travel times of up to 10 miles per battery charge. The airless 8.5-inch tires increase grip and allow for pop-free, smooth rides, and its heavy-duty alloy build can carry weights up to 240 pounds. Its heavy-duty build means it's one of the heavier and bulkier off-road models available. But the high-performance twin motors, airless tires, powerful battery with a fast 2-hour charge time, and very high maximum weight load make it a powerful, safe, and smooth riding choice for heavier off-road riders. Number 5. Swagtron Swagboard Pro T1 Off-Road Hoverboard. Lightweight and compact, but sturdy and powerful enough for most off-road purposes, and features multiple riding modes and programmable top speeds, making this a great choice for the safety-minded. Learning mode limits speeds for new users. 220 lb weight limits entry. Shield smart battery for maximum efficiency. The Swagtron Swagboard Pro T1 is a lightweight, compact off-road hoverboard featuring a single 300W motor. It features 2 riding modes: standard, for experienced riders, which allows for a top speed of 8 miles per hour, and learning, which dynamically controls top speeds and acceleration while new riders get comfortable with balance and control. Its patented SentryShield smart battery management system allows maximum energy efficiency for travel lengths of up to 12 miles, with a built-in battery charge indicator light and powerful LED safety lights. Even in standard mode, its top speed of 8 miles per hour is lower than many models on the market. But its customization and safety options, compact and light design, and sufficient off-road horsepower make it a very user-friendly, safety-oriented hoverboard for beginners and experienced riders alike.